Hello mga Beshi! It's me, Ate Ashi, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we will play Darling Dollhouse. So please, like and subscribe! Oh no, where am I? Ginawa niya ako doon. Hala! Lumilipad ako! This is a doll world. Let's go! Sana all maganda ang keyboard. Mas maganda pa yung keyboard ko dyan, ha? Wala, mga totoo ba to? Kasi naging doll na din ako. Oh my god, kilala ko yan. Si Smiley siguro yan eh. Ano yan? Ouch! Cannot see it. Is that the doll world? Let's go! Punta tayo sa bahay ni Doll. Candy. Nam nam nam. Ay, dito daw. Kala siya upstairs. Is this okay? Okay, let's go, guys. Whee! Ooh. Come on! Come one, come all. See the amazing Darling. Who's Darling? Let's go. This way to Darling's Dollhouse. Okay guys, samahan niyo ako. Kainis naman tong favorite na to. Hala, bakit bawal ako mag-respawn? Ay, nag-respawn siguro. Ooh. Hala, she was a fairy. Oh, splashin naman yan eh. Hindi naman lang mamatay eh. Diba? Told ya. Wee! 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 Oh no! No! Oh no! Oh sh! Last one try. Wee! 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 Paano ko makakaabot yan? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go! Yay! Ang galing-galing yung butterfly ni Ashley. Butterfly Ashley. Whee! Like, sakit yan sa paa pag inapak mo. Maliit lang tayo kaya hindi yan masakit eh. Ooh. Astro. Nakakatakot naman ng mga clown. Takot ako dyan. Ay, straw tuloy. Bakit sad kayo? Dapat ano kayo eh, masaya. Pag clown, diba? Nagpapasaya. Depressed clown. Ooh, lollipop. This is my dream world. A candy! Nam nam nam. Darling Dollhouse, 1 mile. Okay. I think this is not. Oh my god. Let's just. Chocolate. Uy. Chocolate na naman. Chocolate na naman. Chocolate na naman. Bigla na lang nagte-teleport yung respawn. Okay, I don't need some arrows. Paano ko namatay? Kanina nga nag-work eh. Whippy! Yippee! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Welcome to Darling Dollhouse. Girl, you said that like 1,000. Oh my god! You look like Miko, but Miko. Never mind. Darling, are you alive? I think not. I think I just see it. I can just skip it. Look, like. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go run. Ala! Bakit ginagawa ko? Hindi ka makapunta dito. Dapat hindi ko na yung pinindot eh. Run! Akala ko bukas na yan. No! No! Sorry for the loud voice. The button. Hide. Saan si Darling? Button. Oh, hello, Black. What the hell? Where's it? Where's it? The last button. Oh, the last button. She's not there. I'ma get my last candy. Nom nom nom. Oh, no! Help! Yeah, wait. Dessert. Kaya ko na. Ala, bakit? Mag-skip tayo. Okay. Let's go! Yay! I think it's not the end pa. Mayroon pa candy. Ay! No! Hindi ko nakuha yung candy. Pwede naman ako tumaas, diba? Oh no. Whee! Oh no. Candy. Yum. Yay! Kaya ko to. Baking ball. Is that soft drinks? I wanna drink it, but it's dangerous, I think. Oh! Whee! Yay! We finally done it. Oh! That again. Wee! Ay! Oh! I'm so lucky. Ay! Let's go! Wee! Oh, there's two. I gotta run. Oh! That's muntik na. Almost. Oh no, not again. All the cuts for. I want to skip, but I have no Robux. I spent all my Robux. I skipped. I dodged that. Let's go. Flying sofa. That's so amazing. Yes. Wee. Oh, I almost died. Oh no, it's my favorite stuff toy. No! Let's go. Wee. Oh. Wee! No! Let's ulit na naman. Oh no. Help me. Ay, bumalik tayo. No! Yes, dito daw tayo. Wee! Bilis naman yan. What happened? Ay. Darling? Oh, Help me. Oh no, poor sa candy. Gusto mo makata-diabetes. Oh no! Ay, laki! Ay! You know I'm a good shooter, right? No. Siyempre, mabilis ako. How? Bakit naman? Buti lang hindi ako sumama dyan. Ikaw talaga ginawa mo akong dala. Yeah. OMG! We completed it! Look at this darling. See us confused, right? Her hair, look. It's underground. OMG! Ay, tama ba to? Ay, mali nga ako. Naglalak si Bacon, no? Lag pala. Let's go. Last na lang to. Whee! Parang room ko, makalat. Back to start. Wow! Rainbow Trail. Wee! Dok mo! Okay guys, that's all for today. Bye-bye!